Hey guys, for this video we're going to take a quick look at these AORRZER Grease Gun Couplers. This comes as a 2-pack. You also get the flexible hose, and I was eyeing these things for a while before I decided to pick them up, but I'm really glad that I did. I think they're going to work out really well. They lock right onto the grease fittings, or grease zerks if you will, and I like that because the basic coupler, sometimes it's hard to get on, sometimes it just falls off, you might not even realize it, or it's not on all the way, you end up making a mess with the grease. And this, you don't got to worry about that. So you can see this backside threads on. That's a standard size right there. Just if you already have a pipe on there or a flex line, you can put it on there. By the way, if you have the rigid pipe that they usually come with, getting this is really nice because those are very hard to work with. And this guy, you know, being all bendy and everything is a lot nicer, especially trying to get into tight areas with your grease gun. But as we pull down on the lever, you can see we're compressing this spring right here, which protrudes the inner portion of this, and it has all these little cutouts, so it allows it to expand a little bit. And then when you release the spring, it's going to go back into that pipe and squeeze it down around your fitting. So here we have an assortment of them. I'm just going to show you. We can just pull the thing down, push this guy in like so, release it, and he is in there. And without pulling that lever, there is no way that is coming off. Let me just give it a little pull it out, and you are all ready to go. I just think that is a really cool design. And nice little addition to our grease gun. So there it is. Thanks for watching.